9 ideas for healthier back-to-school breakfasts. Hi everyone and welcome back to Healthy Bites. As the new school year approaches, we want to make sure you start your day off right with these 9 healthy back-to-school breakfast ideas. Whether you're a student or a parent looking for nutritious and delicious breakfast options, we've got you covered. These recipes are not only easy to make, but also packed with essential nutrients to keep you energized throughout the day. Let's dive in and explore the flavors and benefits of these fantastic breakfast ideas. Number 1. Oatmeal Protein Bar. 180 calories. Kickstart your day with an oatmeal protein bar, offering approximately 180 calories and boost of protein to keep you fueled and focused. These bars are not only delicious, but also convenient for busy mornings. Here are the specific ingredients for oatmeal protein bar. 1 cup rolled oats, 1/2 cup almond butter, 1/4 cup honey or maple syrup, 1/4 cup protein powder, 1/4 cup chopped nuts, 1/4 cup dried fruits, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, a pinch of salt. Here's the process for making oatmeal protein bar. Number 2. Yogurt Parfait, 300 calories. Enjoy a refreshing yogurt parfait with approximately 300 calories, offering a balance of protein, fruits, and crunchy granola. This parfait is not only delicious, but also packed with probiotics, promoting good gut health. Here are the specific ingredients for yogurt parfait. 1 cup Greek yogurt, plain or flavored. 1/2 cup fresh mixed berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries. 1/4 cup granola. 1 tablespoon honey or maple syrup. Here is the process for making yogurt parfait. Number 3. Coconut bars, 190 calories. Savor the tropical flavor of coconut bars with approximately 190 calories. Providing a delightful and nutritious breakfast treat, these bars are not only easy to make, but also perfect for satisfying your sweet tooth. Here are the specific ingredients for coconut bars. 1 cup shredded coconut, 1/4 cup coconut oil melted, 2 tablespoons honey or maple syrup, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, a pinch of salt. Here is the process for making coconut bars. Hey guys, can you do me a big favor and give that like button some love? It would mean the world to me and help support our channel. While you're down there, wanna hit subscribe too. Alright, let's go back to the number 4 food recipe. Number 4. Quick Green Smoothie, 390 calories. Start your day with a quick green smoothie, offering approximately 390 calories, packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber. This smoothie is not only nutritious, but also a great way to sneak in some greens for a well-rounded breakfast. Here are the specific ingredients for quick green smoothie. 1 cup spinach leaves, 1/2 ripe banana, 1/2 cup chopped pineapple, 1/2 cup Greek yogurt, 1/2 cup almond milk, 1 tablespoon chia seeds. Here's the process for making quick green smoothie. Number 5. Delicious lemon blueberry pancakes, 410 calories. Indulge in delicious lemon blueberry pancakes with approximately 410 calories, offering a delightful and wholesome breakfast option. These pancakes are not only fluffy and flavorful, but also packed with antioxidants from the blueberries. Here are the specific ingredients for delicious lemon blueberry pancakes. 1 cup whole wheat flour, 1 tablespoon baking powder, 1 tablespoon honey or maple syrup, 1 cup almond milk, 1 large egg, 1 tablespoon lemon zest, 1/2 cup fresh blueberries, cooking spray or oil for greasing. Here is the process for making delicious lemon blueberry pancakes. Number 6. Granola and yogurt bowl, 280 calories. Satisfy your taste buds with a granola and yogurt bowl, offering approximately 280 calories, providing a crunchy, creamy, and nutritious breakfast option. This bowl is not only customizable, but also packed with fiber and healthy fats. Here are the specific ingredients for granola and yogurt bowl. 1 Greek yogurt, 1/4 cup granola, 1/4 cup fresh mixed berries, 1 tablespoon honey or maple syrup, a sprinkle of nuts or seeds. Here is the process for making a granola and yogurt bowl. Number 7. Breakfast roll-ups, 260 calories. Enjoy the portability of breakfast roll-ups with approximately 260 calories, providing a savory and nutritious morning option. These roll-ups are not only easy to make, but also perfect for those mornings on the go. Here are the specific ingredients for breakfast roll-ups. 2 whole grain tortillas, 4 large eggs, 1/2 cup chopped vegetables, 1/4 cup shredded low-fat cheese, salt, pepper, and desired herb spices for seasoning, cooking spray or oil for greasing. Here is the process for making breakfast roll-ups. Number 8. Banana yogurt bowl, 260 calories. Start your day with a delicious and creamy banana yogurt bowl, offering approximately 260 calories, providing a balanced and nutritious breakfast option. This bowl is not only easy to make, but also a great way to use ripe bananas. Here are the specific ingredients for banana yogurt bowl. 1 cup Greek yogurt, 1 ripe banana sliced, 2 tablespoons almond butter or peanut butter, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, a drizzle of honey. Here is the process for making banana yogurt bowl. Number 9. Peach mango smoothie, 290 calories. Savor the tropical goodness of a peach mango smoothie with approximately 290 calories, offering a refreshing and vitamin-rich breakfast option. This smoothie is not only hydrating, but also a great way to enjoy seasonal fruits. Here are the specific ingredients for peach mango smoothie. 1 ripe peach peeled and pitted, 1 ripe mango peeled and pitted, 1/2 cup Greek yogurt, 1/2 cup almond milk, 1 tablespoon of honey or maple syrup, a few ice cubes. Here is the process for making peach mango smoothie. That wraps up our list of non-healthy back-to-school breakfast ideas. We hope you found these recipes inspiring and delicious. Remember, starting your day with a wholesome breakfast sets the tone for a successful day at school. If you have any other breakfast ideas to share, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that like button, notification bell, so you'll never miss a Healthy Bites. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you next time on Healthy Bites. Bye!